In today's video, we're going to walk through how to track your LLC tax refund using the IRS Where's My Refund tool. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and I'm going to show you how you can do this, what information you need to check your refund status, and how the process actually works if you run an LLC. A lot of business owners assume their LLC has its own refund tracker or a separate system for business refunds, but in most cases, that's not how it works. For many LLC owners, the refund connected to their business income actually shows up through their personal tax return. That means the same IRS tool used by individual taxpayers is usually the tool you'll use as well. Waiting for a refund without knowing what's happening can be super frustrating, especially if you're trying to plan your finances or reinvest money back into the business. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to check your refund status, what the IRS updates actually mean, and what to do if your refund seems like it's taking longer than expected. So let's get into it. Okay, so first off, the IRS provides a free online tool called Where's My Refund that allows taxpayers to check the status of their federal tax refund. Instead of calling the IRS and waiting on hold, you can simply enter a few pieces of information from your tax return and instantly see where the refund status stands in the process. The tool is available on the IRS website and also through the IRS To Go mobile app. It's designed to give taxpayers a quick update after they file their return so they can see whether the IRS has received the return, approved the refund, or sent the payment. Now, one of the biggest advantages of the IRS refund tracker is how simple it is to use. The system only requires a few pieces of information from your tax return, and then the entire process usually takes less than a minute. To check your refund status, you need your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, your tax filing status, and the exact whole dollar amount of your expected return. Once you enter that information, the system matches it with the return the IRS has on file. The tool is also available at any time of day, which means you can check your refund status whenever it's convenient. It updates automatically as the IRS processes your return, so you don't have to call anyone or submit additional paperwork to see progress. Another helpful feature is that the system clearly shows where your return is in the process. Instead of wondering whether the IRS has received your return or approved the refund, the tracker provides a clear status update. Using the IRS refund tracker is very straightforward. Once you've filed the tax return, you can visit the IRS refund page and enter the required information from your return. The system will then display one of the three main status updates. The first status most people see is return received. This simply means the IRS has received your tax return and is waiting to be processed. Once the IRS reviews the information and confirms the refund amount, the status will change to refund approved. At this stage, the system usually provides an estimated date for when the payment will be issued. The final update is refund sent. This means the IRS has issued the refund and the money is on its way to you. If you selected direct deposit, the funds will typically arrive in your bank account shortly after that update appears. If you choose to receive a paper check instead, the check will be mailed to your address listed on your tax return, which can take a little longer depending on the delivery time. The tool updates once per day, usually overnight, so checking it multiple times in the same day isn't going to show you any new information. Again, all you have to do is go to the website and you can go ahead and use their refund tracker. From here, you'll enter in your social security number, your tax year, your filing status, your refund amount, and you can go ahead and click submit, and then it will go ahead and show you your status. It's very simple and it takes about 15 seconds as long as you have all your information. Okay, now let's talk about business refunds versus personal refunds. This is one of the areas that causes confusion for many LLC owners. People often assume their business will receive its own tax refund, but for most small LLCs, that's not how the tax system works. Most LLCs are treated as pass-through entities. That means the business itself does not pay federal income tax directly. Instead, the profits and losses from the company are reported on the owner's personal tax return. Because of this structure, if you pay more tax than you owe during the year, the refund will typically be issued to you personally rather than to the business. This is where the IRS's Where's My Refund tool still applies to many LLC owners. Even though you run a business, the refund you're tracking is tied to your personal tax return. There, of course, are some exceptions to this rule. Some businesses elect to be taxed as corporations and file separate corporate tax returns. In those cases, the refund process may work differently and the standard refund tracker may not apply. But for the majority of small business owners operating an LLC, the refund will still show up through the individual system. Okay, I want to talk on some common issues and some simple solutions just in case you get stuck. Sometimes people check the refund tracker and don't see the update that they expected. One of the most common situations is when the status stays on return received for a longer period of time. In many cases, this simply means the IRS is still processing the return or reviewing certain information. Some returns require additional verification, especially if credits were claimed or the IRS needs to confirm details. Another issue can occur if the information entered in the tracker doesn't match the tax return exactly. The system requires the exact whole dollar amount of the refund listed on your return. Even a small difference can prevent the tool from finding your refund. It's also important to remember that amended returns are tracked using a different IRS tool. If you filed a correction after submitting your original return, the standard refund tracker will not show updates for that amendment. And finally, be cautious of scams during tax season. The IRS does not call, email, or text asking for personal information related to your refund. Always use the official IRS website when checking your status. Okay, let's talk about EINs, because even though an EIN is not required to track your refund, it plays an important role when running a business. An employer identification number allows your business to operate under its own tax identity rather than your personal social security number. This is important for opening business bank accounts, hiring employees, and filing certain tax forms. Many business owners apply for an EIN shortly after forming their LLC so they can keep their personal and business finances separate. Services like Northwest Registered Agent help business owners obtain an EIN and organize the paperwork required for forming and maintaining an LLC. So if you want to check out Northwest Registered Agent, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. Once you click that link, you'll just have to put in the type of business you want, if you've already formed it or not. Maybe you have, and then you'll enter your company name. Where did you form your company? So you select the state, business purpose, contact information, account information, and then payment information. So again, it really is just makes your life so much easier. While you can apply for an EIN directly through the IRS, a lot of people prefer using a service like this that helps guide them through the entire process step by step. Having an EIN in place can make any parts of running a business easier, especially as your company grows. Okay, now let's go ahead and talk about some of the pros and cons. So one of the biggest advantages of the IRS refund tracker is just convenience. The tool is free, easy to access, and available online at any time. Instead of waiting on hold to speak with someone at the IRS, you can check your refund status within seconds. Another benefit is that the tracker provides clear status updates, so you know whether your return has been received, approved, or sent. This just helps reduce uncertainty that many people feel when waiting for their refund. The main limitation is that the tool doesn't provide detailed explanations if your refund is delayed. The IRS needs to review your return more closely. The tracker may simply remain on the same status until the review is complete. In those situations, you may still need to contact the IRS or work with a tax professional to get more detailed information. Now, if you do decide to use a service to help you with LLC formation and applications or ongoing business compliance, the cost does depend on your state and a couple of other things. So whenever you go and fill out all of your information, it will give you an order summary and you can see exactly what the cost will be. Again, that link is down below if you want to check it out and get the best price possible. Let's talk about a couple of bonus tips for tracking your refund. There are a few habits that can make the refund process smoother and help you receive your refund faster. First off is filing your taxes electronically. Usually speeds up the process because electronic returns are easier for the IRS to review than paper filings. This also allows the refund tracker to begin showing updates sooner. Choosing direct deposit instead of paper check can also shorten the waiting time. Once the refund is approved, the funds can move directly into your bank account without going through the mailing process. It's also helpful to review your return carefully before submitting it. Simple mistakes such as incorrect social security numbers, bank routing numbers, or math errors can slow down the process and delay your refund. Keeping a record of the date you filed your return and the refund amount can also make it easier to check the tracker accurately. This process is helpful for LLC owners who report their business income on their personal tax return and want a simple way to monitor their refund status. The IRS tracker gives you a quick update on where your refund stands, so you're not left guessing about what's actually happening behind the scenes. If your company files separate corporate tax returns or your tax situation involves more complex filings, you may need to contact the IRS directly or work with a tax professional. But for many small business owners, the refund tracker provides a quick and reliable way to stay informed during tax season. Waiting for a tax refund can feel frustrating, especially when you don't know what stage your return is in. Having a simple tool that shows your refund status can just make the process feel so much more manageable. If you want to explore services that help with EIN applications, LLC setups, and keeping your business organized, don't forget to use our link down in the description to check out Northwest Registered Agent. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel channel really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping founders find tools to build smarter and faster without the overwhelm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.